Hello guys, welcome to a new tip for how to remove valve springs. So this is the easiest way that I found out that this can be done. This is the easiest, okay? So pay attention. So when you gotta remove the valve springs, I just removed it. So mine, I just removed it. Let's see where I put it. So here we have the spring that was here, and then you had this on top. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, guys, this is the valve. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna show you how I did it with this one. I'm gonna remove that shim for now, and this is what you gotta do. You gotta get a magnet. I just found this rectangular shaped magnet. You find a socket about this big. In this case, it's a 20mm socket, and this clamp wrench. So you're gonna grab your socket, put it like this on top of the spring, and then you just want to step on it. So maybe you want to hold this down. You want to put something here so you don't step on the head. And then once you have it there, you're gonna step on it and make sure you put this in the middle like this. This way you will compress the spring, and these lock shims will stick on the magnet. Okay, so basically you go like this, and then you will step on it right here. Okay, and then the string will automatically stick on the magnet, and then you will have your valve spring off. So it's super easy, guys. Anybody can do it. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay guys, so I just removed the valve from this head. I did it with my special tool. I did a little short on YouTube on it that was showing you, but basically you just gotta grab a socket. I just grabbed a 20mm socket, this grab tool, and then basically what you do is, I'm gonna show you with this one because this one I already removed it. You grab this magnet, okay, square magnet. It doesn't have to be the same one, but it helps a lot. Okay, so make sure you put the magnet through there, and then you put this tool there, and then maybe you want to put something that holds it there, so because you're gonna have to step on it. So when you step on this, you will compress the spring, and the shims will stick on that magnet. Okay, so and then you just step on it, boom, and then that's how you removed it. So that worked for me. Here's the spring, and I found that that's the easiest way. If there's any easiest way, maybe you guys can tell me how on the comments, but that's how you do it. Okay guys, so here's this valve. I'm gonna show you how bad was the old one. See, it's broken. It's like ripped right there. There's a little crack. So all that compression was going through that. I think this is the exhaust valve. So this was when it was doing the explosion, it was misfiring on that cylinder. I mean, they're all okay. The rest ones are okay, they're just dirty. Yeah, they'll be alright. I mean, for now we're just gonna change this one. I mean, if you guys can afford it, do all of them. You know, it might be better off. If not, then just do the broken one. Okay, and then we're just gonna grab a little compound, and we're gonna grab some valve grinding compound so we can put this valve in there, and that way it'll seal in there and won't let any air escape. So we're putting the valve to the spring again, and then we just use some zip ties to compress. We use this and we compress the spring, and then we put some zip ties, and you put some zip ties, and then you put your shims on the top of the valve, and then you're gonna grab your pliers here, and then you just cut the zip ties. The one way one.